skincare lovers. So the other day I recommended Kojivit Ultra for hyperpigmentation. So I want to come and explain why I recommended this very one. There are other depigmenting creams for hyperpigmentation, but see Kojivit Ultra. Why I love this brand is because of the ingredients in them. So let's look at the first ingredients in these products. Here we have octinoside. Octinoside is that ingredient that will help, as it's helping you to depigment, it's also helping you not to have new dark spots. So you see these sort of ingredients in sunscreen. Most sunscreen have these ingredients in it. It helps to prevent future or further dark spots. So the next one is niacinamide. You know what niacinamide does? Niacinamide is going to help control the oil on your face. You know, when you have excess sebum on your face, it can clog your pores and now form new acne. So with niacinamide in this product, it's going to help reduce oil production. Then the next one is glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is an exfoliant. Glycolic acid is an exfoliant under the AHA. So it helps to remove dead skin cells. That's what glycolic acid does. So imagine you having a dull skin, or you're having hyperpigmentation on your face, or you have melasma. And glycolic acid is going to help exfoliate that skin and reveal a more brighter and finer skin for you. The next one is kojic acid. Kojic acid is a brightening, lightening ingredient. It's a lightening ingredient, so not even a brightening ingredient. Kojic acid is very strong. It will help lighten your dark spots. The next one is arbutin. Arbutin is going to help to clear dark spots also. We have so many. We have alaction. This one is going to help. This is like alaction is like vitamin E. So alaction is going to help to keep your skin moisturized. When you are using lightening products, lightening ingredients to treat hyperpigmentation, you need to stay hydrated. Because once it strips off the excess oil, remember there is niacinamide in this product. So you also need something to help balance it. So that's going to help. You see alaction in a lot of baby products, baby skincare products. You see it in a lot of moisturizers. So why I always recommend Kojivit Ultra is because it has a well combined, like the formulators of this product, they know what they're doing. They balance all the ingredients. Nothing is going to, like now, as I know when you use kojic acid and you're not protecting the skin with sunscreen, you might have more dark spots because your skin is already sensitive to the sun at that point. But what did they do? They put octinosides to help balance that part with the sun stuff. And now they have niacinamide, they have glycolic acid, like a whole lot of good, safe ingredients to help maintain your skin barrier without damaging it, at the same time also treating the main issue that you have, which is hyperpigmentation. So I hope with this few points of mine, you are going to come to me to get Kojivit Ultra for your routine if you have hyperpigmentation. And remember, don't just buy it and start using. Meet a good esthetician or your skincare therapist to help you, put this in your routine, and he or she will tell you how you're going to use it. But if you come to me, I'll also tell you how to incorporate this into your routine. Have a nice day.